Stop paying extra for Venmo transfers. Save money in just a few clicks. Venmo offers two transfer types, instant or standard. Instant moves money in minutes, but charges a fee, typically about 1%. Standard takes 1 to 3 business days and usually has no fee. Quick example, on a $200 transfer, instant costs about $2. Choosing standard saves that fee, and small savings add up over time. Compare fees and time with a simple chart. Instant shows a fee spike, standard stays flat. Example, send $500. Instant fees are about $5, standard costs nothing. Monthly impact, multiple transfers quickly turn small fees into real lost money. How to pick standard, open transfer, choose standard, and confirm the move. Timing tip, use standard when you can wait a day or two to avoid the fee. Choose standard to save on fees. Small choices today become real savings tomorrow.